Yeah, so today is April 16th, 2021. Um, oh man, I'm just looking at AMD and not really happy because now it's rallying after it stopped me out. So I took four trades today on AMD, BIDU, Mara, and Tesla. And all of them, I believe, were all green as far as the trading was concerned. Um, they were just all trading sideways. And then Mara I got in a bit too late. So let me. Today I actually had ideas for 12 different stocks because I put 12 different things on 12 different pages anyway, or 12 different, four different screens. But I'll only go over some that I thought were really cool. If we go look at the market, um, now we're sort of I don't know, we're kind of chopping around a bit, which is why I'm not even trading the SPY. Although the SPY rejected sort of the high of day, came down, and then sort of bounced off this demand area, rallied up, and we're having this sort of choppy behavior, and it's kind of pushing everything. And yeah, so I'll start off with AMD, um, which is funny because AMD now is rallying after it stopped me out. I probably put my stop a bit too tight. Um, all right, so the idea with AMD is this. Yesterday we had a really strong day, and then we got into this very strong supply area. And then, of course, we rejected it first, came back and rejected it again. So that was a double top. And then it dropped so quickly down. And of course, when a stock is dropping so fast, they always say never catch a falling knife. There wasn't any sort of point of getting in anywhere. I could have jumped in, but I didn't want to go to a 1 minute candle to find an entry. And I didn't want to put my stop so high if I jumped in here. Or actually, my stop could have been here, but yeah, I was just not certain. Anyway, so I thought, okay, I'll play the reversal. There are some demand areas. So I charted these two demand areas. Um, and of course, this is the first drop, second drop, third drop. So I kind of assumed we are going to have a reversal at this point, or at least a trading range. We did get a trading range and not a quick reversal. So I got in on this candle and put my stop just at the base of the candle. So I will show you. I was using DAS again, AMD. So, oh yeah, this was just a test. I wanted to this, and it's so weird because it was such a test that took so much out of me. I wanted to work. I was going to play some options, and I wanted to work out how many options I needed if I was going to take a reversal at this point. And yeah, it was just stupid. But anyway, so got in on this candle, put my stop just at below this candle. I don't understand. Oh yeah, yeah, I know what happened. Did I? Yeah, I know what happened. So I got in this candle, made some really good money actually because my stop was so tight. I was 1 to 1 up here, but I didn't want to take anything off until we were 1 to 2. So essentially at this point, um, so when we got here, I was because we're chopping around so much, double bottoms. So I thought we may get a double top soon. This was like another top. So I thought since we're in a trading range, it's 50-50 whichever direction price will go. So I decided to take 50% off here and set my stop to, no, 50% off here and set my stop to break even, of course, which was where I got in and obviously got stopped out. And then obviously this now happens, which is very frustrating because now this is like 1 to 2. This would have been a really good exit, or at least taking some of it out. Um, well, really, the reason why I actually did that is just also because I have to go do something else. There were other good ones like Apple, and I'll go over those in a sec. So the next one was Baidu. With Baidu, what happened now? Baidu 2 was chopping around, still chopping around. I got in late because this is the thing. The challenge with looking at so many things is you you don't have you know let's just do this. So the challenge of looking at so many things is you just have so many things to look at, and it can sort of get confusing because you have to analyze and think about what you're doing. You can't just get in at the price. You've got to see what price is doing before you go in. So BIDU, I charted this channel, seeing it making lower highs and lower lows. This is the first push, second push. The second push didn't go as low as the first push here, so I assumed, okay, we probably have some other pushes, which we do down here, and this is the double bottom. So this was a signal candle I should have jumped in at. I believe I jumped in a bit too late here, and let's actually check that. Yeah, I jumped in just at the top of this candle, and I put my stop at the bottom here, or was it down here? I put my stop here, which is not a great place to put your stop. This is where you're supposed to put your stop, but I put my stop here, betting that we wouldn't come back here. We came back down, came back up, came back up, came back down again, and as you can see, we're forming a trend again, really, really slowly, very, very slow, not much follow through, but that's what's happening. Oh wow, look at Tesla! Oh my goodness. So the thing that got me with BIDU was the fact that when we got here, I saw that we had a double top here from the pre-market. So I thought, okay, yeah, we're definitely going to go down, but I'm sure we're not going to get this far. So let's just hold. Then we broke out, and then we got here, and then we're almost triple topping. And I thought, if we have another top here, this is a trading range. And therefore, what it means is we're probably not going to go very far. And that's pretty much what's happening with Tesla. Tesla 2, I got in a bit too late. This is where I got in. We're double bottomed here. And again, 3 pushes, 1, 2, third push. So this was a good entry long and a relatively okay signal candle. I think I jumped in at this candle here. Where is it? Yeah, jumped in on this candle. Put my stop at the bottom here. Went up, came back down, was negative for a bit, got here, and I think I got frustrated. And I thought, okay, I really do need to start going. It's almost 11 o'clock. I have to leave here at 11:30. And as you can see, we're double topping. It almost looks like sideways price action. So that was Tesla. Mara was the latest of them all, but the best of them all. So got in here. I actually had set up, I actually knew where I wanted to get in tomorrow, but I wasn't sure exactly. So we had, again, supply region over here. Sorry, demand region. We'll actually go back. So this was my idea. We're kind of following this trend. And I said to myself, if I get in, I'm getting off at $42, around about here. But then I noticed that we would chop around this level when I was in already, which is exactly what happened. We got to this level and started chopping around, and yeah, and then now we're struggling to do whatever. Anyway, so we've double topped, so we're coming down. Anyway, so I got in tomorrow a bit too late. I had to put my stop down here, even though that's where I got in. Where are we? Yeah, so got in at the top. Just wasn't really quick enough to get in on this signal candle, because if you think about it, this is a very strong signal candle. This is a breakout candle. And this would have been a perfect entry, or even at the base if you could, and then just ridden this all the way up, but just really didn't have just did not get in time. And I guess that's what I should have been looking for, the strong candles that were being made. So that was that. Oh, look at NVIDIA. And that was something I was really staring at. I did consider getting in here because I saw this and I said, we may have a double bottom. So therefore, and this is just perfect. Look at that. So this entry long, and here, so you wouldn't even get in here. Just wait for the retest, get in here, and then just ride this up. Didn't do that, but that would have been nice. And look at Tesla. Wow. All right. What was the last one? Oh yeah, that was it. Those are the 4 I was looking at, and yeah, it's, this is trading. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Today, I'm glad we did not lose too much, but I think this is wrong. What I was very happy with my trading is today I did not overtrade, or at least I did not jump into trades just like willy-nilly. There was a bit of time taken and thought. So that's what I've been trying to work on. This is wrong. Well, this is just for this channel, and this really, now we're having a third push, and in fact this has not reached the top, so this could push up and then reverse again. Day trading day side price action, because we're just not breaking this high. We keep going down and up, down. I think we're going to come all the way down here and then come back up, and we'll see what happens. As far as this is concerned, whenever the trend breaks out like this, I do sometimes get a bit concerned, because that for me tells me that we are going to reverse very soon. All right, So yeah, we'll come back again over the weekend, on Monday, and we shall, yeah, do this again. All right, have a good weekend.